Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I wanted to discuss the move operation from memory to memory and why when we compile this code, we get some surprise. Okay, for example, here, move %edx to %ecx, but we have a bracket in the front, right? So what does it mean? It means we have a memory referencing here and we also memory referencing here. Okay. Both memory references are valid. Okay, for example, edx is pointing to the place where esp is pointing to. ecx is pointing to some stack location. Okay, so memory addresses themselves are valid, but we cannot move content from memory to memory. Let's see what happens if we compile this piece of code, right? We call the AS compiler, compile our assembly code. Okay, too many memory references for a move. So what does it mean by too many memory references? It means we have two. This is one and this is another one. But if you remove one of these brackets, it should be fine. You can try this, for example. Yeah, it worked. Similarly, if you remove over here, it would also be fine. Okay. Meaning it will compile successfully without warnings. Okay. So the lesson is that we cannot move content from memory to memory.